All right, guys, so I'm very excited to bring you this trading strategy. A user of ours had found the strategy trading NQ futures, right? I'm on the micro E-minis MNQ, but it's pretty much the same thing, just a smaller contract. And he found this 1 minute scalping strategy that is absolutely insane. And he made around $10,000 in the past 5 days. And I know some people are still confused about how futures work. You're not putting any capital up front, right? You're trading contracts, so there's no leverage involved. So if you don't know anything about futures, I'd highly recommend at least looking into it a little bit. Because this strategy is a game changer and so many of you have been asking for a video. So I thought, why not? And I'm going to cover exactly how he enters a trade and how he exits a trade and just how much is possible with the strategy. It's really, really insane. And like I said, he's in the pro Discord, posting these results every single day. So if you don't believe this, then I don't know what to tell you because he's literally in the Discord every single day posting his results. So this strategy involves 3 different indicators, right? The first indicator being easy algo for the buy and sell signals. If you don't have easy algo already, be sure to click the first link in the description below, right? That's a buy sell indicator we're going to be using. The next 2 indicators are free trading view indicators. So you're going to come up here, 2 indicators, and you're going to type in the Willie. So the first indicator we're going to be using is this Williams %R, also called the Willie, but we're going to change some settings. So we're going to go into settings here and we're going to change the length to 50 and the EMA to 20. All right, so those are the settings for the Willie. The next indicator we're going to be using is the MACD. So just the standard MACD, right? So we're going to press moving average convergence divergence, right? And we're going to go into settings. We're going to change the fast length to 2. Go to style and turn off the MACD and signal and just keep the histogram. So how this strategy works is we're pretty much waiting for all 3 indicators to line up. And as soon as they all are showing the same sort of inputs, we're going to enter the trade. So what do I mean by that? Well, the first thing we're looking for is a crossover on the Willie, right? So we're waiting for that yellow line to cross below that blue line for a short, or if we're looking for a long, we're going to wait for the yellow line to cross above the blue line. But ideally, we'd like to see a pretty steep slope. So by steep slope, I mean something like this, where we're going, pretty upwards, right? We're not just crossing over like this horizontally. It's a noticeable cross up. Same thing on the way down, right? It's a notable cross down, something like that. That's what we're looking for on the Willie. Now on the MACD, what we're looking for is for the red to turn to green for a long position, or for the green to turn to red for a short position. And then on easy algo, of course, we're waiting for that buy or sell signal. So when all of these are in line within a candle or 2, we're going to be entering the trade. So let me show you guys exactly some of his trades that he took today. So I know one trade that he took was this long position right here because we had a buy signal on easy algo. The Willie had just crossed over that blue line, right? And the MACD had just went from red to green. So that was the first trade. And we can exit, at an easy algo mild sell signal or an easy algo sell signal, right? So that is a 46-point move. So I don't think you guys really understand how much this is depending on how many contracts you go in. But even with 1 or 2 contracts, that's anywhere from like $80 to $160, right? Just off that one trade. So this sell signal we're not going to take because the MACD had already been red and the Willie crossover was all the way back here. So this is kind of like a delayed signal, so we're not going to take that. We are going to take this buy signal, right? Because the Willie had just crossed over and the MACD had just gone from red to green. So we can take that long position, right? Stop loss below previous swing low. Again, we can get out at that mild sell signal or the reversal signals on easy algo, which would have been another, 50-point move. And like I said, there's no leverage involved in this, right? You're trading contracts, so you can start pretty small and see some amazing gains. Again, we have another beautiful trade. We have a sell signal on easy algo. The Willie had just crossed over back under that blue line, right, within 2 candles. And the MACD was turning red. So that is a short position that we're going to take. And these are all trades that Ninja is taking every single day, right? He's the one that found the strategy. So these are trades that you can take every single day. And these trades are hitting, right? So you could have taken profit maybe here at this easy algo mild buy signal, which would have been a nice 60-point move. Or you could have kept holding until this easy algo buy signal all the way over here, which would have been an 89-point move, right? So even on one contract, that's $180, right? So these moves are huge. Again, right, we're not going to take this buy signal because the Willie barely crossed the blue line, right? We didn't get that vertical cross like we want to see. We barely crossed it, so that's not enough for us. And also, the MACD had stayed green, right? It didn't change from red to green, so we're not going to take that buy signal. Here we could take the sell signal, right? Technically, this follows our rules because the Willie had just crossed down but it is kind of near the bottom, right? It's pretty much near the bottom on the Willy. So, ideally we probably wouldn't take this trade, but even if we did take this trade, it would have been like a 20-point stop out. So not a big deal. Again, we have this buy signal. Again, that follows our rules, right? We got that buy signal. The MACD just changed from red to green, and the Willy had crossed that blue line. So we're going to take that long position, right? We can get out at this easy algo mild sell signal, which is, another 15-point move. Again, the Willy crosses right around here, and the MACD had just gone from green to red with that easy algo sell signal. So we are going to take that trade and probably would have taken profits right here at this easy algo mild buy signal, which is a 17-point move, right? So these small gains add up because you're on the 1 minute time frame. So you're making that in, literally a couple minutes, right? This easy algo buy signal is invalidated because it didn't fully cross yet, and the MACD didn't just change from red to green. It had kind of already been green, so that does not follow our rules. The sell signal is also invalidated because we had already crossed on the Willy 3 candles ago, so it's kind of a late entry, but you could have taken it right with your stop loss above previous swing high somewhere around here, and you would have been still in the trade, but most likely we would have taken this sell signal because we had a clean crossover on the Willy, right? And the MACD had gone from green into this red, so we can take that short position, right? And that is another beautiful trade, and we'd probably take profit at this buy signal, right? Another 45-point move. So you can kind of go and back test it, right? Another winning trade right there. We wouldn't have taken that. Maybe would have taken this trade, probably would have been a break even, another beautiful sell signal. So you can kind of go back and back test this yourself, and the results are outstanding, right? This is a super profitable strategy. I think it's very beginner friendly. So if you don't have that much experience trading futures, I think this could work out. Just be mindful, this is on the 1 minute time frame. So you do want to take profits pretty quickly. But if you can catch a move like this, you'll be in the money. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.